Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, I thought it would be fun to take a look at some camp cooking live from camp. I do apologize though for the video quality. There was a number of things against me. No tripod, it was about 34 degrees out, and I was trying not to disturb my friend who was resting just behind the fire pit. Well, let's take a look at what we did. So this adventure actually starts at home, where I picked up a T-bone. I seasoned it, put it in a freezer bag, and froze it for its day on the trail. Earlier that day, we arrived at the Robbins Branch trailhead in the Birkhead Mountain Wilderness. We hit the trail and headed to camp. We had approximately 5.5 miles to go. We arrived at campsite 6 between Bingham Graveyard and Hannah's Creek just before dark. We set up camp. It was getting cold quickly. Well, that's the backstory. Let's cook a steak. Well, to go along with that steak, I've got garlic, mushroom, shallot, seasoning, olive oil, and the GI mess kit half to cook it in, over the fire. After slicing my garlic and shallot, I set out to quartering my mushrooms with my CRKT mini Bowie. Now that's a mighty fine mess of mushrooms. Onions and shallots are already in the pan. Let's get them over the fire. I've set myself up a couple of rocks to function as a pot stand, and I've piled some coals from the fire underneath. So here we're getting the coals ready for my steak. I'm using one of my backpacker grills. It's sitting on 2 tent stakes and a rock. Time for the main event. That's right, steak on, y'all. Here's a POBV for you. That's right, point of bare view. I've added the mushrooms to our garlic and shallots. Why, hello, steak. Time for the seasoning packet, which includes parsley and Montreal steak seasoning, including salt, black pepper, red pepper, garlic, onion, and paprika. Well, here's our finished product, and a little red to go along with it on the side. What can I say? It was great, and we'll see you on the trail.